some that can get to? Okay.
I agree with Willie because 13 is an odd number and on the number chart it's the yellow ones are all and the blue ones are even. I agree with Mackenzie and William. I would like to add more. It is odd because when you had counted it, I counted it by 2, and when I got to that, and when I got to 12, I saw the last person. And then I knew that last person would make it 13. So that is how I got my answer, and that is how the answer is 13, and 13 is an odd number. His nose is shaped like an oval. And his tummy is shaped like an oval with a big one. And that's mine. But I think his eyes are shaped in a circle. And his eyebrows are shaped as a semicircle. And his tail is shaped like an oval, a little oval. And his thumb is shaped like an oval, but in a little, like a different type of shape. And his nose is like a oval. His fingers are like a little less. These look like a parallelogram to me.
So you think his fingers look like a parallelogram? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So take his fingers and go to the poster and tell me. Okay. You think it's parallelogram? Do you ladies agree with her? Do you think that his fingers look like a parallelogram? What about you, Dr. Zaya?
I agree with her because when she went over there and did it, I liked at how she did it because we didn't know what shape is his hand, the sperm hand. So she went over there and tell us which one it is so we could write down which shape is his hand.
Now, what if I say it was shaped like a trapezoid? Can it be shaped like a trapezoid?
No, because if you take it up here,
okay,
and you look for the trapezoid, which is right here, and you put it up here, it has to be right over, and his hand is showing some of it, like the parallelogram, and then show none of it. And with
so you're going to show how you share your crackers. So those little sticky notes that I gave you, pretend that is your cracker. Pretend that is your cracker. So you have one cracker and you have 2 people. How would you split your sticky note, pretending that it's a cracker, in half? I want you to think.
I'll add 2 sticky notes.
You only need 1 because you are going to split it in half by either folding it or ripping it. Yes. I'll wait.
Right now, rip it.
Not yet. So you have 1, and let's pretend that it's you and your friend, your best friend, and you got to share that cracker. How would you split that cracker in half?
break it.
William, I'm going to need you to stop yelling out, okay? Or I will move your clip down. You are going to show me. Before you do it, do not do it yet. I want you to find your elbow partner. Discuss with them the best way to divide that one cracker in half. Discuss. Okay. Go ahead.
Rip it yet. Rip it.
Are you discussing with your partner?
We should rip it or either.
Joy, how would you split yours in half? Say that again.
I would split my cracker in half by either going this way or this way. Or I could go this way and I could split it in half. I could go this way. You, if I put my cracker from down the middle, or from this big or that end, and I just break some head like that.
I know that it's a whole cracker, but if I wanted to break it in two halves, I can rip it apart by doing it from the side. It's one whole cracker, and this
I was still in that body.
Okay, so you want to
Thank you, may I have everyone's attention, please? Now, you should have to discuss with your partner, your elbow partner, different ways you could split the cracker in half. Different ways that you can split the cracker in half. Now, as I rotated, I listened to Joy and Eric. Joy and Eric, can you please discuss and share out with the class how would you split your cracker in half, please?
We would split our cracker in half by going this way or either this way or going this way.
So diagonally, this is diagonally.
Going diagonally and then going across.
Which is horizontal.
And
then
going horizontal and vertical.
Yep, good job.
Good job.
They are awesome. Do anybody else want to share out? Miss Precious, can you please share out what you and Bernard discussed? Because you guys said some interesting things.
Me and Bernard discussed that if we had a cracker and we wanted to split it, I would rip it in half so that Bernard can get a half and I can get a half. But if I get it like a four piece, when it be diagonal and vertical, I would rip the diagonal one first, then I rip the vertical second, and the Bernard wanted a piece, I would rip another one. I would give him another. I would make another one for him and give it to him so that he can get one and I can get one.
Okay, so if you do that, then how many pieces would you have?
We have two pieces.
2 pieces? Okay, so let's pretend that we're going to do it. This is your cracker and Bernard's cracker, and you can rip it in half like this. You see the 2 pieces?
Yeah.
That's 2 pieces. Or you could rip it like this. Can I see yours? Horizontal.
You should do it like that.
Here you go. With your half, or you can rip it. Can I see yours? Sorry. Can I see yours? I'm sorry, Roger. Here you go. Or you can rip it diagonally. There you go. diagonally. So you have many options of ways that you can split your cracker in half. But you have to end up, what's the ending result when you rip these crackers in half? How many pieces should you have? Two. Not three, not four, not five. Because we're dealing with half. So boys and girls, right here on the smart board, this is a half. This is a half. Because this was one whole. This was one whole. Because eventually, down the line, you will find out that a half plus a half will equal one whole. I'll be able to trick you guys. Now that we move deeper into our fraction, 1/3. Do anybody know ways that we could do 1/3? Show 1/3. Joy.
You could make it into. You could make it into a circle, and then you could cut it, and then you could break it into 3 equal parts. And then on the next one, you could put it into, and then you could put it into, and then you could break it 3 times, and then you could break it 1, then.
Hello, my question for Caleb.
He's not here today.
You.
You're right. See you later, Alan. See you later, honey. All right, you're absolutely right, Joy. So Joy came up with 2 ways that we can divide it. She said, well, remember that this is your one cracker. So you're telling me that you're going to cut your cracker inside here to make a circle, and then go deeper and divide it into 3 equal parts? That could be 1/3 within 1, 2, 3. This side is bigger. You see? Or maybe you can make it smaller. You can make it smaller. Let's see if we do it a different way. 1 second. Let's see what happens if you cut it like this. Excuse this. This is always the lady. But 1, 2, 3. Is that equal?
No.
Well,
I think that's
this is messed up because this is not. It's not on track. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. That was equal. But then what about this part? But that's more work. What about if you just fold it to the middle, and then fold it to the middle, and then when you open it up, voila, 1, 2, 3. You have 3 equal parts. How many of you guys did this? Joy? That was one of your options. William, that was one of your options. You can fold it like this. And if you want to see what Ms. Blank is talking about, let's say this right here, this whole thing is the cracker. 1, 2, 3. Fold it in equal parts. It's not equal. This is delayed. This is not. It's showing when I write here, it puts this line here. Yeah. But you can see it here. If you can't see it there, 1, 2,